Hello, hujambo. Welcome to this lesson of Swahili for beginners. Jina langu ni Mwalimu Hezron. In this lesson, let us learn about the restaurant, kwenye mgahawa, at the restaurant. Welcome. Let us first of all begin with important words. Number one, we have mgahawa. Mgahawa is the Swahili word for restaurant. Some people will say mkahawa. Number two, we have the word chakula. Chakula means food. Number three, maji. Maji is water. Number four, chai. Chai is the Swahili word for tea. Number five, kahawa. Kahawa simply means coffee. Number six, wali. Wali is rice that is already cooked. When it is raw, say mchele. Number seven is nyama. Nyama is meat. Number eight, kuku. Kuku means chicken. Number nine, we have samaki. Samaki simply means fish. Number 10, menu. Menu is the Swahili word for menu. Number 11, we have the word bili. Bili is the Swahili word for bill. Number 12, we have mhudumu. Mhudumu is the Swahili word for waiter or waitress. Number 13, meza simply means table. Next, let us mention basic drinks in Swahili. Vinywaji. Vinywaji is the Swahili word for drinks. Number one, kinywaji. It is the singular of vinywaji. Number two, we have chai is tea. Number three, chai ya maziwa. Chai ya maziwa is the Swahili word for milk tea. Number four, juisi. Juisi is juice, and some people will say sharubati. Number five, soda is just soda. Number six, maji. It is the Swahili word for water. Number seven, beer is beer. Number eight, we have divai. That is the Swahili word for wine. And at number nine, we have kahawa, which simply means coffee. More vocabularies here. Kikombe is a cup. Sahani is a plate. Kijiko is spoon. Kisu, knife. Then lastly, uma is the Swahili word for fork. We proceed on with the vocabularies. And here, number one is chumvi. Chumvi is the Swahili word for salt. Number two, we have sukari. Sukari means sugar. Then number three, mafuta ya kupika. This is the Swahili word for cooking oil, whereby mafuta is the Swahili word for oil, and then ya simply means of, and then kupika is to cook. So mafuta ya kupika means cooking oil. Number four, moto. Moto is fire. Number five, maziwa. Maziwa is milk. Number six, mayai. These are eggs. Number seven, maji moto. This means hot water. Number eight, maji baridi. This one means cold water. Asking about foods and drinks at a restaurant. Number one, if you are at the restaurant and you want to know the kind of food, you say, hiki ni chakula gani? Or some will say, hiki ni chakula kipi? To mean what food is this? Then number two, hiki ni kinywaji gani? Which means what drink is this? And when it is delicious, in Swahili, say number three, ni tamu. Then it's bitter, simply means ni kali. When the food served is cold, say ni baridi. Number seven, when it's very hot, say ni moto. If you like the food served, in Swahili, say napenda chakula hiki. Number 7, that means I like this food. And number 8, sipendi chakula moto. This means I don't like hot food. Now, when you are at a restaurant, sometimes you can use the word nipe, which simply means give me. Examples: nipe chai moto simply means give me hot tea. Number 2, nipe chakula changu. This one means give me my food. Number 3, nipe sukari. This means give me sugar. Number 4, nipe chumvi. Give me salt. Number 5, sitaki chumvi nyingi. This sentence means I don't want a lot of salt. Number 6, sitaki sukari nyingi. The sentence means I don't want too much sugar. Number 7, niongeze chakula. If you want more food, say niongeze, which means add me, and then chakula is food. So add me more food simply means niongeze chakula. Number 8 here, nipe maji glasi moja. If you request for water, say give me 1 glass of water. In Swahili, nipe maji glasi moja. Now, after eating, of course, you need to make payments. Now, Swahili word for payment is malipo. Malipo means payment, and to pay is kulipa. That is number 2. If you want to say I have paid, in Swahili, say nimelipa. And if you have not paid yet, say bado sijalipa, which means I have not paid yet. Number 5, nataka kulipa. If you have already been served and you need to pay, you want to pay, in Swahili say ninataka or nataka kulipa. Number 6, if you want your method of saying you want to pay to be more polite, use the word ningependa. The word ningependa simply means I would like. It appears more polite. So, ningependa kulipa means I would like to pay. Number 7, nitakulipa. This is now a promise that I will pay you. Number 8, nimeshalipa. We are introducing sha here to mean already. The action has already been performed. So I have already paid. Nimeshalipa. More here on payment. Number 1, nipunguzie bei. This means lower the price for me or reduce the price for me. The word punguza, number 2, means reduce. Then number 3, usipunguze, simply means don't reduce. After receiving the services and you need a receipt, in Swahili say nipe risiti. That is number 4. The Swahili word for receipt is risiti. So nipe risiti simply means give me a receipt. Then number 5, hii ni bili yangu. If you want to pay the bill and maybe you are a number of people and you want to say this is my bill, in Swahili say hii ni bili yangu. Number 6, nitalipa baadaye. If you want to pay later, in Swahili say nitalipa, which means I will pay. Then baadaye is the Swahili word for later. As we continue, number 1 here, ni ngapi? How much is it? Nina pesa ya kutosha. Number 2 means I have enough money. And if you don't have, use number 3. Say sina pesa ya kutosha, which means I don't have enough money. Number 4, ningependa kulipa. After eating at a restaurant and you would like to pay, say ningependa kulipa, which means I would like to pay. Number 5, nataka kulipa na M-Pesa. This mobile money transfer that is mostly common in Kenya called M-Pesa. So if you are in Kenya or Tanzania or Uganda, you would like to pay through M-Pesa. Say, ninataka kulipa na M-Pesa, which means I want to pay through M-Pesa. Number 6, sina pesa means I don't have money. Chukua pesa. Number 7, chukua means take. So take the money. Chukua pesa. Okay, now thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have learned something and now you are ready to go at a restaurant and order something. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video and leave your comments in the comment section. Jina langu ni Mwalimu Hezron.